Welcome to the Lightboard Studio, a space designed to make your online teaching more dynamic and engaging. In this short tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set it up for a live Microsoft Teams session, using transparent handwriting and PowerPoint overlays. Let's get started. Before you begin, turn on the monitor using the button under the screen. Log into the PC and copy your PowerPoint file to the local drive for smoother performance. Open your PowerPoint presentation and then launch the Microsoft Teams app, not the browser version. Go to your scheduled Teams meeting or create a new one. Next, choose how you want to appear on camera. In Teams, you'll find two options in the camera settings: Camera plus PowerPoint, ideal when you want your Lightboard writing and your slides at the same time. Camera only, perfect for handwritten explanations or demonstrations without slides. Clip the microphone to your lapel and check your audio levels in Teams. Make sure Teams is detecting the correct input before you begin. Start your PowerPoint slideshow and make sure presenter view is hidden. For the best visual clarity, use the recommended lighting setup. Dimmer 1, 25%. Dimmer 2, 25%. Dimmer 3, the purple Lightboard LED, maximum brightness. Switch on the backlight and turn off the main room lights. Step behind the Lightboard and use the camera remote to center yourself in the frame. Use the tilt buttons to adjust up or down and the pan buttons to move left or right. Use the Stream Deck to control PowerPoint slides. You're now ready to begin. Start your Teams meeting or recording. Face the camera, write clearly, and keep your notes nearby. When you're finished, clean the Lightboard, log out of the PC, and turn off all the lights before leaving. To book the studio, scan the QR code and use the email provided to make your booking through the Outlook calendar. For support or a demonstration, contact Javier Garcia at j.m.garcia@surrey.ac.uk. We can't wait to see what you create.